So you definitely made your next move your best move, and I'm so proud of you. It's James Marques from Legacy Business Partners, and thank you for joining me. Chat GPT Marketing for Beginners. Now, this is the sections portion. I did a whole live class. It's like 40 minutes long where you could check out the whole thing. But today we're just doing sections. And in this section, we're talking about how to promote, how to scale your business using Chat GPT marketing. And we're going to jump right into it. All right. So obviously there are multiple ways that you can use ChatGPT to market and scale your business. But today I'm gonna focus on the top three that I think, no matter where you are in your journey with ChatGPT marketing, you'll be able to dominate your industry, right? With these three uh, tools right here. Research. Got to use ChatGPT marketing for research purposes. You can analyze customer feedback. You can conduct market research. You can have ChatGPT analyze your website. You can put your link in there. There is so much you can do from a research standpoint. You can research and audit competitors, and so I highly recommend you start to wrap your mind around how to use Chat GPT as a research tool because it will benefit your business in a tremendous way. In fact, a lot of people are worried about AI replacing their jobs, but that's why I'm so happy you're here because you're going to thrive and you're going to dominate your industry, your marketplace, because you're going to use AI as a tool and an asset. You're not going to run from it. And so, while everybody's running, people are going to be in wow of what you're able to do just from a research standpoint with Chat GPT. When you go into meetings and you have different information that other people just don't have because they don't understand even how to, they can be using Chat GPT as well, but they don't understand how to get the right research out. So researching is very important. Engaging with your customers is another important aspect of all marketing. So use Chat GPT to help you figure out ways to engage. Again, it's a research and analytical tool, so you can have it research your website for different ways to make it more engaging. You can have it create engaging and informative social media posts, email campaigns, text, whatever it is that you're looking to do. You can use Chat GPT to become more engaging with your audience. Now, chatbots are very popular. Everyone's using chatbots. But again, this is another way that you can engage and interact with your audience. Now, I have to stop and mention this before I forget. Um, you know, with Chat GPT, nothing beats your experience and your expertise, right? So whatever it is that you know about your industry, whatever it is that's been proven fact time after time about your industry, take all that and put it into what you're doing with Chat GPT, right? So when you're creating engagement, if you know XYZ campaign has worked in the past, well, throw it in Chat GPT and have it give you a more modern take on that same version. That's another really great way for you to use Chat GPT is the expertise and the knowledge and things that you've already done that you've seen work. So make sure you incorporate that within the mix as well. Obviously, the last one, creating. That's what it's all about. Chat GPT allows you to create content in seconds, minutes, and not days, weeks, and months, right? So whether you're creating personalized email campaigns or a 30-page lead magnet, ebooks, there's so much that you can do now in seconds with Chat GPT that you just need to go out there and create. It can't do it itself. It has to be prompted. It has to be told what to do and what to create. So by all means, create YouTube videos, create, scripts, TV shows. There's so much that you can do with Chat GPT. It opens up a world of possibilities. Now, also, I can't keep going without telling you about some Chat GPT Chrome extensions that are really cool for you to add on to your website to help you to add on to your arsenal to help you be even more productive. YouTube, there's YouTube Summary with Chat GPT is a tool you got to check out. GPT for search engines is another one. So this list right here, it's only a small list of many more that are out there, but this is a strong list. Excuse me. strong list that'll help you get started. I highly recommend that you check this out. And because these will help you do your job even more resourcefully than you are right now, if that's even a word. So how do you measure your success, right? Because you use ChatGPT in so many different ways, and you want to be able to measure this so that you can quantify and scale. And there's three ways that I put here. The engagement metric is the first one. You can measure engagement with the interaction with chatbots or just your new content, add different things like that, time spent with a chatbot or on the website. Let's say, for example, you have ChatGPT write you a whole new web script, right? Well, now you're able to see how much more time people are on your website with the new copy and the new formatting that you may have added. So engagement is a good metric to use. Another good metric is content, like kind of like what I was just saying. How much page views, the bounce rate, the click-through rates. All these are metrics that you can use, and hopefully you've already been using to kind of quantify your marketing efforts. And obviously, one of the big ones is sales, right? Sales metrics is huge to me. When it comes to marketing, that's the bottom line. You want to see what a dollar's at, right? And so I also believe that marketing now has to integrate more with sales. You can use ChatGPT in the sales process a lot more. And so creating more personalized emails, targeted advertising, you can measure all of those metrics. And I highly recommend that you do. Again, there's more ways to measure how you're using ChatGPT, but these are the three main major ones right here. So I highly recommend that you measure your success, and then you rinse and repeat and scale from there. Now is the opportunity for you to dominate your marketplace, become the best that you can. I have other videos that talk about ChatGPT marketing for beginners. This was just one section. I did a whole live one that you can check out on my channel, or you can check out the other clips that kind of break it down in smaller bite-sized pieces. I'm James Marquez from Legacy Business Partners. Feel free to check us out on the website. We have tons of tools and resources that just take away hours and hours of research for you. And, these are proven and time-tested strategies and tools that we have. So check us out on our website, legacybusinessinc.com, for all your marketing business development needs. And I look forward to seeing you there.